Now we're dealing with capital budgeting techniques, and the next technique we're going to look at the fundamentals of is called the payback technique. And the problem reads this way. It says Project K costs $52,125. Its expected cash inflows are $12,000 a year for 8 years, and its weighted average cost of capital is 12%. And the question is, what is the project's payback? Now, payback is defined as the cost of the project divided by the cash flow per year. And so the cost of this project is $52,125, and the cash flow per year is $12,000. Now, as a financial manager now, you don't really use payback. On the other hand, anywhere you go, any report that you do, if you don't include payback, they're going to ask you what the payback is. So you need to just go ahead and calculate it, just kind of get it out of the way. But net present value, internal rate of return, modified internal rate of return, those are the kind of techniques, time value of money-based techniques that we would use to make decisions. So again, but this is payback though. And if you take the cost of the project divided by the cash flow per year, you get 4.3438. Now, technically that's 4.3438 years. If you report payback this way now, there's somebody that's going to think it's 4 years, 3 months, 4 days, 3 hours, and 8 minutes or something. Okay, people don't understand what that is to the right of the decimal place. Take that 0.3438, multiplied by the number of days in a year, and in this case you get roughly 125 days. Report payback as 4 years, 125 days to payback. That way it's clear as to what it means, and you won't have to interpret it for everybody then. But this is payback, very common capital budgeting technique. You see it everywhere. As a financial manager though, you would not use payback. This is not something you would use to make a decision about the company.